Ian Hinckley had been in jail for roughly 20 days, and he still didn't have an attorney, so the judge let him out on $1,500 cash bail, even though he had a list of serious priors that dated back nearly 2 decades. We can hear Judge Sarah Churchill talking through her legal reasoning in court audio obtained by 8 Investigates.
He needs a lawyer to assist him investigating the case and preparing it for an ultimate resolution, and he doesn't have that.
At the end of May, 658 defendants were waiting for legal representation from Maine's public defender program. 156 of them were in custody.
It's clear that there has been a significant violation of one of Mr. Hinckley's rights.
Churchill determined that the court violated Hinckley's rights by failing to appoint a public defender within a reasonable amount of time. But what qualifies as reasonable? Yesterday, the Androscoggin County District Attorney told us that he thinks 20 days isn't a significant wait. And as of the end of last month, there were 430 Maine defendants waiting for more than 30 days to get an attorney.
Sadly, there's not a lot of help that the court's been given from the Supreme Court or others about how exactly to engage in that analysis. It'd be nice if we had brighter line tests, but we just don't.
Judges have to weigh the defendant's personal liberty against public safety. In this case, the prosecutor's office pointed to a sprawling record of domestic violence charges.
Given the defendant's history, the risk to public safety is extreme.
And advocates say that that history of abuse needs to be taken seriously.
What we hear from victims every day is that one of the things that makes it difficult for them to decide to call for help, to call law enforcement, is their fear of retribution and their fear of what's going to come next.
There's a tool to help judges calculate what sort of risk a domestic violence suspect could pose if they're released on bail, using victim interviews and court records to calculate a risk score. That system is validated for use here in Maine, but it's unclear whether it was used in this case.
If what victims are hearing is that they might be arrested, but they're not going to be held, then it's hard for them to have confidence that calling the police is going to help them be safer.
If you're a victim of domestic abuse, she recommends reaching out to your local resource center for help. Advocates there can offer a range of different avenues for you, whether that includes the police or not. We'll have some more information about those resources on our website. Reporting live in studio, I'm Nora Hogan for Maine's Total Coverage.
Thank you.